Republic of the Philippines, Negros Oriental State University, Republic Act 9299, Gihulngan Campus, College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gihulngan City, Negros Oriental 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision: a dynamic, competitive, and global responsive state university. Mission: narrative. This shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and responsive research, and extension services, and security assured production to competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals: the Negros Oriental State University strive to advance NORSO, N stands for National Development through Effective Partnership. O stands for Opportunity Access to Poor but Deserving Student. R is for Research and Teaching Functions. S stands for Scholarship and Innovation. U stands for Unity and Diversity of Culture. Corporate Values. Core values represent what we believe in, giving character to our university operations. These are Sapphire. S stands for spirituality. A stands for accountability. P stands for professionalism. P stands for patriotism. S stands for harmony. I stands for integrity. R stands for respect. And E stands for excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself in provide quality instruction, research and station service, and production, as well to comply with the applicable regulatory of continual improvement of its management system. Kabilin. K stands for kinship in mind and heart for development. A stands for adaptability and accountability in the profession. B stands for benchmarking with global standards and practices. I stands for industry and work for productivity. L stands for leadership and societal transformation. I stands for interdependence with various stakeholders. N stands for learning desire for harmony of man and nature. Criminology, education, mission, and objectives. Vision: the College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and meeting the demands of global competitiveness. Mission: the College of Criminal Justice Education program itself to providing the community with a professional, competent, and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives: pursuant to the above stated mission, Department of Criminology integrates and sequence course of study which are well planned. These courses of study utilize the didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. Number 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunities in instruction and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essentials to the practice of criminology. Number 2. It provides the student with a broad cultural background and understanding the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law. Number and so far as they affect the total administration of justice. Number 3, it first fosters higher concept, citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and understanding of one's moral and the legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his communities, and his country. Number 4, it inspires and instills in the student the value of service to humanity. Number 5, it encourages research and inquiry in the field of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. Criminology is any person who is graduate with a degree of criminology, who has passed the examination of the criminologist and is registered as such as by the Broad Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation and Commission, pursuant to Republic Act 65026, Section 23, defined that there is one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public of any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in either university, college, or school duty recognized by the government pursuant also to Republic Act 6506, Section 24. Also, all certified criminologists was exempted in any entrance of qualifying examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following positions: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearms examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detector examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. Security officer. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98302, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment PNCO rank of PO1 up to Police Commission Officer PCO with the rank of Superintendent. Republic Act number 6975, Section 33 provide the license may be appointed to the initial rank for the police profession vacancies. 11 general orders. Number 1, to take charge of his post and all company's property in view and preserve the name of outpost intelligence. Number 2, to walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything takes place within insight or hearing. Number 3, to report or violation or orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to report or cause a guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5, To quit my post only when I'm properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving court or orders from company officers or officials, superiors, post, or shift leaders. Number 7. To talk, no one is safe in the line of duty. Number 8. To sound or to call the alarm in case of fire or disorders. Number 9. To call superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute all companies, officials, superiors, or any agency and ranking public officers or officials in commission of the AFP or officer of the PNP. Number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenge to charge all persons or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority, and to eat my meal before during my indirectly.